it's our privilege to introduce Feraye Ozfescioglu, CEO of the World Humanitarian Forum.
It is a great honor for us to have Feraye with us. We are extremely thankful to Feraye for the opportunity of collaborating. She has been extremely supportive from the beginning. I met her close like a year ago, and she has always supported me and helped me along the way. She is doing a remarkable work to create opportunity, but also to galvanize efforts on the third sector, but also bringing together actors of the private sector, governments, also technology. The World Humanitarian Forum that is based in London, they are doing incredible events. The level of the participants, the level of influence of the people that are attending those events and part of the board and part of the whole initiative have an incredible potential, and they are already doing so much. But thanks to the work of Feraye, they are now much more connected, and it is a huge honor for us to have you. Thank you so much for being here, Feraye.
Thank you, Carlos. It's a great pleasure to be part of today's event, and thank you for your kind words. We are always supportive, for young people like yourselves, and you're doing great, really. And I think World Innovation Alliance presents an important and a very timely movement. Congratulations and well done on the event as well. It looks impressive. To give you a little bit of background about myself, I am the CEO of the World Humanitarian Forum, and WHF, as we call, is the largest and most inclusive non-partisan forum in humanitarian aid and international development. Using the convening power, WHF brings together decision makers and opinion formers in public, private, and not-for-profit sectors, as well as the next generation of partnership builders, and we stand in the intersection of government, NGOs, multilaterals, and the private sector. WHF advances critical global discussions and transforms conversations into action, as well as providing a powerful forum to catalyze collaboration through shared value approaches and social impact objectives. Going back to the theme of, my theme today, effective humanitarian actions, I believe we need to start thinking.
One second, Feraye, because we have some microphone that is on. Guys, can we fix the mute all the participants? Thank you. Sorry.
No problem, Carlos. To start from my theme, effective humanitarian actions, when Carlos mentioned this theme to me, I started thinking, and I believe we need to start thinking what humanitarianism and being a humanitarian means. And across the 2 years since the beginning of the pandemic, we have been analyzing this at the World Humanitarian Forum. COVID-19 has laid bare the world's fragilities. We are facing great challenges, rising inequalities and injustices. With the system underachieving by trillions of dollars, we as humanity are not meeting the scale of this challenge. So if we don't act today, there will be more humanitarian assistance needed on the world, although we can prevent majority by taking action now. So in the new world, humanitarianism cannot be analyzed without sustainable development, and we need to act now for the transition from aid to development. I keep saying in today's world because to me, there are two worlds. One world, old world, which is before the pandemic, and the new world now in the post-pandemic. So according to WHF, humanitarianism in this new world is about serving to the humanity, being for purpose and being for impact. So all of us should be humanitarians within that context and within that conversation. According to our strategy paper as well, our theme for the next 3 years will be people, planet, and prosperity. We need to save the planet. You know, we all see conversations around climate action, climate change. We've just been through COP26, now building up to COP27. Yes, we need to save the planet, but also we need to invest in people. And we can't tolerate leaving people behind. This is how we can lead to the prosperity. And it was therefore great to hear the upcycling ambition today, Carlos, on the World Innovation Alliance. I think at where we are standing, the question is simple. We need to choose either breakdown or breakthrough. we have to choose breakthrough. We are choosing breakthrough. We need to build forward better together. And again, I keep saying build forward better because building back is not really enough, and that was not good enough. So we definitely have to build forward together. And I say together, I keep saying together because we all have to understand we are all in this together. The greatest challenges facing our humanity today, poverty, inequality, hunger, climate change, COVID-19, cannot be solved by just one actor or intervention, no matter how large the investment or will. So we must act collaboratively and should always remember we are in this together and should act now for change, for building forward better. Thank you for having me here and wishing you all the best.
Thank you so much, Feraye. It absolutely is the right way to move forward, and you emphasize together because it's the only way. But many times we're just in these silos, right, working independently. So that kind of initiative that you're leading and that I am grateful and honored to be a part of in the International Development Board, it is exactly what we need. And I don't think that people know much about humanitarianism, and also that people are aware of the work that is being done. And I think that the platform that you bring in is absolutely extraordinary. So thank you so much, Feraye, for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.